This short video reviews subject-verb agreement. It's important that subjects and verbs agree or get along in your sentence. First of all, it's really important that you're able to identify the subjects and verbs in your sentence so that you can verify that they match in numbers. Okay, so singular subjects, which I've highlighted in red here, require singular verbs. Okay, so here's a singular subject, Andrew, and a singular verb, enjoys. Andrew enjoys movies. Plural subjects require plural verbs. The doctors, which is plural, agree, which is a plural verb, with me. A problem area that can happen sometimes when you're evaluating a sentence for subject-verb agreement is when the subject and the verb are separated by a prepositional phrase. So for example, the noises in the background is loud, or the noises in the background are loud. So let's take a look and see how to figure that out. We're going to identify the prepositional phrase in the background, and in our heads we'll kind of cross it out and pretend it's not in the sentence. So we're left with the noises is loud or the noises are loud. And then we can see that the correct answer is the noises are loud. Another potential problem area happens when the subject comes before the verb comes before the subject in the sentence. There are many problems to solve. Problems is the subject of the sentence, and that's plural, so we need a plural verb. Another trouble spot occurs when the subject is an indefinite pronoun. And these are examples of indefinite pronouns. These indefinite pronouns always take singular verbs. Each, either, neither, one, somebody, something, all of these will take a singular verb. These pronouns are always plural and need plural verbs, both, many, several, and a few. So when the subject is an indefinite pronoun such as both, this one requires a plural verb. So both of my cats love catnip. Here's another indefinite pronoun. It's going to be singular. Someone wants to go home. Okay, so it's a singular pronoun, so we need a singular verb. Subject-verb agreement can also be tricky when you have a compound subject. Paloma and Roger see or sees the bobcat. When it's a compound subject, we're going to use the plural form of the verb. When a compound subject is joined by these words, or, neither, either or, neither nor, or not only but also, the verb needs to agree with the closer subject. I'll give you an example here on the slide. Either, so you've got this either or construction, either clams or lobster is or are the featured special. So I've got a compound subject. It's connected with either or. So my verb is going to agree with the noun that's closest to it. So this is singular, so I'm going to choose a singular verb, is. However, if I switch it, either lobster or clams is or are the featured special. Now the subject that lies closest to the verb is plural, so I'm going to use the plural form of the verb. Okay, that's how that works. For more information about subject-verb agreement, check out the OWL at Purdue's website at this address.